Hey everyone, welcome to the official beginner's guide on how to use PredictX.
First things first, head over to the platform or click the comment icon and copy the link down below. Then paste it into the website and sign up using your email or Twitter account. Now, if you choose sign up with email, just click submit and enter the verification code sent to your email and you will be logged in. Next guys, you all need to fund your account before making any prediction. Just go to the account icon, click deposit, and choose your preferred deposit method. You can either choose buy crypto with card or deposit crypto. Now, if you choose and click deposit crypto, just click continue, select your preferred token and network, and then copy your deposit address. Now guys, once your funds land, you are now ready to play. You can choose from any available sports. For now, I'll pick MLB or the Major League Baseball since it's currently active. After that, just click MLB, select your preferred game, and pick the team that you wanna bet. Scroll down guys and you'll see the bet amount. And now you can enter your position amount. And down below guys, you'll instantly see your max payout. Now guys, if you're not satisfied with the max payout, you can use the boost feature. Just swipe left and right to see how it changes your payout. But pay close attention as you adjust it because you'll see the knockout or the closing price area. If the odds drop and hit the closing price, your position get closed. Take note that boosting increases your potential reward, but it also increases your risk. Now, if you are satisfied with the max payout, just click make prediction. Here, you all see the entry price, margin, profit, and knockout, which is the same just like liquidation. And then you'll all see the other details. Once you are done, just click place bet. That's all guys, you have now open bet position. And just like that guys, it's very fast and very easy to use this platform. Scroll down below guys and you'll see the cash out value and the other details. Now if you are in profit and whenever you are ready to cash out, withdrawals are fast and simple. Just go to account and click withdraw. Enter the amount that you wanna withdraw and the recipient address. Now if you are done, just click withdraw. Take note guys, make sure you are withdrawing to an address on the base network only. That's all guys, thank you for watching. God bless.